Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to all with the new topic from the chapter that decline of Mughal Empire. So our today's topic is why were British able to conquer India. So first of all we will discuss first point, the weakness of India. Obviously there were many of the weaknesses, because of that the downfall was there. So basically the Mughal Empire was already in decline when the British began to expand their influence in India, and at that time there was no strong uniting force in India. It was a collection of disunited territories with a variety of different rulers with different religions and cultures. They fought with each other, and they often saw the British as possible allies in their argument with their neighbors rather than the potential enemies. It was also true that many rulers were wealthy feudal lords and living on their past history and allowing their states to decline through neglect rather than aiming to reform and reinvigorate them. Next topic is the strength of the British. This was the main point. If on the one hand there was a decline because of the weakness of India, then on the other hand there was the strength of the British. So the Industrial Revolution in Britain resulted in it being technological much more advanced than India. It had superior weapons, means of communication and confidence that went with these technological advantages. Quite simply, the British considered themselves superior to the Indians. They did not doubt that it was their right, if not their duty, to spread their superior culture across the globe. So they saw India as a country in stagnation and in decline. This was the main point, boys, that they saw India in stagnation and decline. They knew that a day will come when they will be able to decline. They were so confident. So opportunities for profitable trade was there. They imposed British administrative system on sprawling giant of the country. They believed that they will be succeeded. This belief basically led them toward their success, and then political belief progress was inevitable. So this political belief that the ground which they have set for their progress, that was accurate, and that's just because of that their progress was inevitable. They are not only superior, but they are destined to rule large parts of the world. This was basically their determination. They were so determined, they were focused that a day will come when they will conquer the whole of the India, and that day came eventually, but it happened just because of the weaknesses of our Mughal Empire. Otherwise it was not possible. Now we shall discuss the British rules. Very important question.